Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Unique and you're welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial we are going to be doing the clean girl makeup look, simple, easy and short. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Please excuse my voice because I've been coughing and it affected my voice, and I think I caught a cold and it affected my voice, so please bear with me. I'm not going to be talking a lot in this tutorial, please and thank you. So I'm starting off by doing my brows. I laid my brows down with my lash glue and my spoolie like I usually do. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean up my brows using a foundation which is like my actual shade, not anything brighter, just my actual shade. You can use a concealer for this. Now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going to moisturize my skin using the Msmetics moisture potion. I use this as a moisturizer and a primer, but I'm going to prime my skin after this, so I'm going to just moisturize with this first. Now that our skin is moisturized, I'm going in with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm going to prime my skin with this and blend in with a brush, as you can see. So for this makeup look, you don't want to stack your face up with a lot of products. You want your makeup to look skin like you barely have something on, but you do. So you have to prime your skin, you have to moisturize as well and make it look dewy. You don't want something cakey, like you don't want harsh lines and all of that. So you have to moisturize your skin. It's very important. So I know most people don't do foundation for this look, but you should if you have to cover your dark spots or you have hyperpigmentation like I do. Some parts of my face are darker than some parts, and I have spots, like you can see I have some spots. So I'm using a foundation, but just a tad bit of that, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend all of that in.
Talking crazy, I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave, you know, I wouldn't want to bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So next I'm going in with my concealer and I'm covering my spots and just beneath my eyes. And I use the Colourpop concealer and Maybelline concealer. One is darker and one is lighter. I just mix the both of them to achieve what I want.
How long can you go, baby? At body so the greatest thing. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
And then I'm going to blend with a damp sponge. Next, I'm going to blend in the edge. I'm going to blend in the edge of my concealer into my foundation with the brush that I used to blend my foundation. I hope that makes any sense. Next, I'm taking my setting powder and I'm going to blend that with the sponge. Take the products bit by bit and dab off the excess at the back of your palm and press it onto the areas you want to apply it. You don't have to do too much.
But I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so the greatest thing. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you.
After my concealer is set, I'm going to use my pressed powder to set my entire face, and I'm using my sponge. I'm just going to press that into my skin with the sponge.
Wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know, you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit, know that shit, know that it is hot.
Next, I'm going to contour my cheekbones, and I'm using an eyeshadow from my Morphe palette, and we are going to contour a little bit, not too much because you don't need that.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair.
Now I'm going to use a fluffy brush with the pressed powder, and I'm just going to strengthen the contour of my nose a little bit.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
For my blush, I'm using the Juvias Saharan blush palette, and I'm going to brush that into my cheeks, just a little bit of that. To set my face, I'm using the NYX NYX, not NYX, the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray my face, set my entire face with that, and then move on to doing the moles. I like to do these. For my mascara, I'm just going to apply a little bit of that just to bring the look together. Now I'm going over to my lips. I'm using this Hey Guy and Esther lip liner in white material. It has a bit of a reddish pinkish, not pink, but like red undertone. And I did my lips with this, but I didn't like the outcome, so I had to change it, use a brown lip liner instead. So I'm going to let you guys see what it looks like before I apply the brown one. It wasn't just giving what it's meant to give for this look. It was giving this reddish, like winey color that I did not just like. Maybe I'm not used to it. Maybe it was good, but I'm just not used to this color on my lips. So I went on to change it to the brown one that I usually use. So for the gloss that I use in the center of my lips, it's the Beauty BautybyDidi lip gloss in Cappuccino. I love this. Is my favorite gloss ever. It smells so good. It's so glossy, like you have a gloss on your lips, like it looks so good on your lips, and I just love it. So I'm going to round up this look by applying the gloss, and that's gonna be it for this look. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched till the end, thank you to my new subscribers as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. If you've not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and leave a comment down below, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together?